Hello traders, welcome back to your FXCM YouTube channel. My name is David Londoño. I'm a trader and also do market analysis. And today we're going to be integrating the MACD indicator with another one, a very simple and yet powerful if you understand this specific moment during the session day. It's the session. So what I want you to focus is the crossing lines between the MACD line and the signal line, which is the blue one, right? So I want you to focus on the crosses, but those that happens during these sessions. Okay, so I want you to see, for example, right here we have bullish cross indicating a bullish movement. Now, of course, I want you to link all of this with the technical analysis you perform on the charts. Remember, we don't trade according to the indicators by themselves, but we just take the information they give us to take actions according to our own strategy. So, for example, right here we can see that we saw the cross and then we saw the change in the structure showing us that we could go bullish on this movement, right? We have the change in the structure, we have the fair value gap right there, and we also have confirmation across using the MACD indicator. Right here we have the same thing. We have the cross, our first signal, the first thing we want to watch. Then we can use that with the price action reading we usually perform. So we are under the session, we have the crossover, we have the cross of the lines, we have the change on the structure. There we have the change on the structure, and we have the willingness to the price to not complete the gap but keep attacking sell-side liquidity. So we can use all of this information in our advantage if we understand how to link them, how to use them, how to integrate all of them. Well, I hope you like this kind of videos. I really enjoy them. I love to talk about technical analysis and charts and how we integrate different indicators. So don't forget to share and subscribe, and also drop us a comment on which indicator do you want to watch, or which types of indicators would you want us to link and integrate on next videos. That'll be all for this one. I will see you in the next trading session.